So this is the famous orie market in Ugwogo Nike. I mean, this is beautiful. As you can see, there are a lot of people here today to buy foodstuffs. I think this is their Eke market day, and due to the Christmas festivities, a lot of people want to buy as much as they can because things are very cheap in this orie market. Okay, now we are heading to MONIC Estate. Okay, MONIC Estate is a fast developing estate in Ugwogo Nike in this area, and this is amazing. Okay, from town to this place, from Noah's to Ugwogo Nike, is like 30 minutes drive. Okay, and on our way I'll be showing you Golden Gates Estate. I mean, I wasn't able to go inside there, but I'll just show you the entrance of the Golden Gates estate, and it is selling for 2.5 million naira. I mean, it's a fast developing estate and it is very close to the major road, just as MONIC Estate. Okay, so by my right is Golden Gates Estate, just inside is Golden Gates Estate. Okay, and it is 2 minutes drive from orie market. Okay, so we are currently heading to MONIC Estate. On this road, there is MONIC Estate, there is Golden Gate Estate, and there is also Destiny Layout. Okay, so these are the three estates in this location, and they are fast developing, and they are genuine, and they are also affordable. As you can see, it's on a major road. There is security in this area, there is electricity, so everything you need is in this estate, is in this area, right? There's infrastructure, so this area is going to give you 100% return on your investment in the next 2-3 years, coupled with the international market that is also going on in this area. Oh my god, if you don't own a plot or two, more than 2 plots in this area, then you are missing out. Then there is a lot of things you need to work on, because if this is the current time for you to own a property here. Okay, now by my right is MONIC Estate. Like I said, it's on the major road of Ugwogo Nike, which means there is great return on investment in this amazing property. So what are you waiting for, right? So call me now on the number that is displayed on the screen to own your own plot, to invest in this amazing estate, because if you miss out, you will miss out. I mean, what is more perfect than this? What is more beautiful than this? This beautiful estate is just on the road, on the major road of Ugwogo Nike. This is MONIC Estate. I mean, if you have not invested in MONIC Estate, now is the perfect opportunity and time for you to do that. MONIC Estate is selling for 3 million naira per 500 square meters. It comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey. Okay, this estate, like, there are a lot of developments going on in this estate. As you can see in the drive-through video, there is a lot of infrastructures going on in this estate, and it is on the major road, which means that this property has a high ROI potential to give you the investment that you have been looking for. So call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen for more details and information concerning this beautiful and amazing property, because the prices of this estate will be going up very soon and they will be sold out before you know it. So don't sleep on this. Call me right now as you are watching this video. Okay, invest with confidence and be sure that your investments will yield profits in the future.